Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's my little Petal Passion bag. I love it. I've made this one with the gorgeous Berry Burst, but I'm going to do a different one with a different colour. I would always suggest that when you're making projects and you're waiting to film them, don't leave them where kittens can get hold of them. My little kitten got hold of mine and had a really good fun time, and I suspect it probably was Berry. She is the one who tends to chew everything. She's the one who's in here more than anything, more than any of the three cats, and she's currently on a chair nearby sleeping, pretending that she did nothing wrong. But I would suggest maybe not having them around. Okay, you can make 3 of these from one sheet of 12 by 12 cardstock. Your piece of paper measures 4 inches 4 inches that way by 11.5 inches that way, and in metric that's 10 centimeters by 29, so you're going to get 4 from your length. Okay, so on the long side, score it at 4, 5.5, 9.5 and 11 inches, which in metric is 10, 14, 24 and 28. On the short side, score it at 1 inch, which is 2.5 centimetres. And I have just questioned myself because I thought, well, that doesn't sound right. But no, it doesn't close up at the bottom. It's 3 inches tall by it is a 1.5 inch base, but it's only 1 inch to there. You get more height, you see, out of your bag. Okay, so gently fold. This paper is just stunning, isn't it? I have found myself using the tiny little daisy flowers more than anything else, and so today I have very deliberately chosen this one. You know what, I think we're all the same. You get a piece of paper, or you get a pack of paper, and there's half of it that you use more than anything else, and then the other half you don't. I'm the same, but I'm also of the belief that if I do like half the paper, then I'll buy it. Right, which way around are you going to see? So I'm folding it this way, and I've got this little short tab here, and there's a rectangle down there. I'm going to remove that one away, and then I'm just going to cut up the other score lines. So, bridge that very slightly. So that's the bit I've taken away, and then I'm going to cut up these ones. So that's the length of the paper, and those are the parts that I have separated. You can see them all there. So I'm going to put some glue down here, ever faithful fast fuse, and some Emerald Envy from the past project stuck to it. And that's the back of the box. So I'm going to fold in these 2 sides and that part there, and I'm just going to put glue on this bit. I'm not going to put it all over, but just on that edge, because as you can see, you can probably see it better on this one, it doesn't go all the way over. So, but it does, it closes up completely, totally closed. Pinch in the sides and then grab something that's going to help you keep it closed just while you tie ribbons on, because I want the ribbon to go all the way around. And I've got crushed curry. I don't use yellow very often. I don't know why. I don't dislike it. I don't love it, but I don't dislike it. But I haven't used yellow for quite some time, at least not that I can recall anyway. So I thought, you know what, let's grab the crushed curry and let's tie a bow on a bag. You know what, this is practically off camera, but I'm resting the box up against my tummy. Anybody else do that? Use your belly as a third hand. Can't possibly be alone in that. That's not a bad bow either. Ooh, I might have to use this ribbon again. It was forgiving. What's it called? Stitch satin ribbon. I remember the names of some and then I forget the names of others. Okay, so properly cute. Let's get a little bit of stamping on. So I've got some Whisper White, And I've got the gorgeous A Mother's Flair. I'm so taken with this. I know Mother's Day in the UK has gone, that was last weekend, but actually those two sentiments are fantastic. You don't need to have those. Hope your day is as wonderful as you are. Life is beautiful because of you. Just brilliant. I'm going to go with that one. Hope your day is as wonderful as you are. Okay, let me just check it fits. So the two punches I've got the 1 3/4. Yep, that's going to fit on there. And the 2-inch. Right, grab a block. And my crushed curry. Oh no, I want basic black for this one, don't I? And then I like to use the flowers that are the top of this, the top of the shoe, but I might take these ones this time because I think I've got a little less room. So that's the top of the teapot, that one there. Here's my crushed curry ink, and I'm just looking to make sure that I'm only picking it up on there. So cute. Love it. So pretty. And then I've got some crushed curry cardstock, 2-inch circle punch. And I'm just going to wait, because that's quite juicy, that one. I'm just going to wait for that to dry. Now, I've got a berry burst bow there, which is from a set of in colour bows that we've got, but there isn't a bow in yellow. So, fingers crossed, everybody. I'm going to do a triple length bow with baker's twine. Wish me luck. So I've got 3 lengths of baker's twine there. I'm usually able to tie a bow if it's not attached to something. See? It's when it's attached to something that I have issue. Let's trim off a bit more of that, I think. Very sweet. Okay, that should be dry now. Yeah. Onto there, and then I want to get my dimensionals either side. Although the ribbon won't come off there, I do want to aim for them left and right. So I want the option to be able to remove the ribbon completely if necessary. And a mini glue dot on the back of there. And then we can attach that to the bag and it's done. And actually, I quite like it in yellow. Ooh, maybe I ought to use yellow a bit more. So sweet. Oh, look, that bow's got all wibbly. I'll have to sort that out. I blame the kitten. Very sweet. Yeah, I need to use yellow more often. But like I said, you can get 3 of these from 1 sheet of paper. Awesome. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.